how to maintain productivity while balancing work and life. Here are the 5 tips that we will discuss here. Tip number 1 is to prioritize and plan. Do you have the habit of prioritizing and planning your tasks? You see, understanding what's urgent and important in both work and personal life helps you manage your time more effectively. Does writing them down seem time-consuming for you? Well, you use tools like to-do list or digital planners. So there's really no excuse for you to put them off, right? You just need to start. So start by listing all your tasks, then prioritize them based on urgency and importance. Plan your week ahead, allocating time for both work and personal activities. Okay, moving to tip number 2, set boundaries. Isn't it draining when everyone and everything wants a piece of you? Yes, so to solve this, you have to set clear boundaries between work and personal life. You see, boundaries help prevent work from spilling into your personal time and vice versa. But you need to be disciplined with this. If you work from home, have a dedicated workspace, and it does not end there. You have to communicate these boundaries to your employees and to your family. Now, let's move forward to tip number 3, which is to delegate and outsource. Have you tried delegating? If not, start now. Don't wait until you feel like you can no longer carry on. Don't hesitate to delegate and outsource. Just think of the benefits. Delegating tasks at work and outsourcing household chores can free up significant time. When you're running your day-to-day business operations, delegate tasks to your team members. And at home, consider outsourcing services like cleaning, grocery delivery, or even meal prep services. Let's now proceed to the next one, which is tip number 4. Embrace flexibility. Are you set in your ways? Of course, you want to have a structure, right? But have you noticed that sticking strictly to your ways sometimes makes you feel frustrated? Consider embracing flexibility in your schedule. By being flexible, it allows you to adapt to unexpected demands in both work and personal life. So, while having a routine is important, be ready to adjust as needed. If something urgent comes up at home, be prepared to shift your work schedule and vice versa. So, finally, we have tip number 5, which is to make time for self-care. Yes, it's about you this time. Do you feel burned out? Maybe you haven't given yourself a bit of me time. I always remind my mentees to prioritize self-care. Self-care is not being selfish. You only want to recharge so you can have the energy to do more. So think of it this way. When your phone's battery is running low, do you think it will still have enough power to answer a call? No, right? You need to recharge it for your phone to fully function well. So self-care is crucial for maintaining your overall productivity and well-being. Incorporate activities that relax and rejuvenate you into your routine. Whether it's exercise, a hobby, or just quiet time, make sure you're taking care of yourself. Now you know that balancing work and life while maintaining productivity is indeed challenging but achievable. So, don't worry, you can find ways to manage your responsibilities effectively. Remember, a balanced life leads to sustained productivity and happiness. All you have to do is to put these tips into action.